Did you know that everyday activities that we all engage in are the most common causes of rounded shoulders and bad posture? Activities such as texting on your phone with your head down, excessive weight training, cycling in poor posture, carrying heavy backpacks, sleeping with poor posture, shoulder injuries, driving for long periods of time, and sitting in front of a computer for long periods can all contribute to bad posture and rounded shoulders. Having rounded shoulders typically means having a slouched back and a forward head position, which has been shown to cause a myriad of issues, including shoulder pain, pain in the shoulder blade, reduced range of motion in the shoulder, neck pain, headaches, sleep disorders, and numbness. Now, research suggests that performing specific exercises 3 to 5 times per week can help to improve your posture, fix your rounded shoulders, and prevent further hunching. And in this video, we share 5 of these exercises. Number 1, lateral neck flexion stretch. This exercise works the trapezius and scalene muscles, which help with posture, and it can be done while lying flat on your back or while sitting up. To begin this exercise, ensure that your head is not tilted forward, back, or to the side. It should be centered and your neck should be in midline position. Bend your neck to your left side, imagining that you're trying to touch your left ear to your shoulder. Stop when you feel a stretch in the right side of your neck. Hold this position for 20 seconds and then return to starting position. Now bend your neck to your right side while imagining that you're trying to touch your right ear to your shoulder. Stop when you feel a stretch in the left side of your neck. Hold this position for 20 seconds and then return to your starting position. Stretching both sides of your neck like this counts as 1 repetition. Do 5 repetitions of this. Number 2, band pull-apart exercise. This exercise helps to strengthen all of the major muscles of your back, including your mid-trapezius and rhomboid muscles, which will help bring your shoulders back. To perform this exercise, begin by standing with a good posture, that is with your back straight, your feet shoulder width apart, and your knees slightly bent. Holding a resistance band with both hands, slowly pull your hands apart and squeeze your shoulder blades together by imagining a small ball between your shoulder blades. You should feel the muscles between your shoulder blades contracting or squeezing. Ensure that you avoid shrugging your shoulders toward your ears. Now slowly return the band to the starting position. Complete 2 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions, 1 to 2 times a day. Note that the level of resistance of the band you use depends on your individual strength level. However, if this exercise does not challenge you enough, increase the level of your resistance band. Number 3, thoracic spine foam rolling. This exercise helps to loosen up the upper trapezius muscle that gets really tight from being hunched. Begin by lying on your back and place your hands behind your head. Place a foam roller under your upper back and start to slowly roll up and down, beginning at your mid-back and moving toward the top of your shoulders. Pause for 15 to 20 seconds in areas that feel tight and repeat the rolling on any areas where you feel tightness. Number 4, pull-ups. Pull-ups are great for your shoulder and upper back. It helps build strength in your shoulders and in your chest. To perform the pull-up, get a sturdy pull-up bar and hold onto it with an overhand grasp. Now lift your feet off the ground and then lift yourself by pulling your elbows toward the ground. Pause briefly while suspended and lower yourself back down to your starting position. If you're a beginner and cannot do pull-ups, try dumbbell rows and do between 5 to 10 repetitions on each arm. Complete 2 sets of this. As you do this consistently, you'll eventually build enough muscle and strength to perform the pull-up. Number 5, planks. Did you know that having rounded shoulders and a bad posture could be a result of a weak core? This is why including core strengthening exercises in your routine is very important, and planks may be one of the best body weight exercises for your core. To perform the plank correctly, assume a push-up position propped up on your forearms and toes, with your arms directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to toe. If you cannot perform the full plank, an alternative is to perform a plank on your elbows. Ensure to always keep your back straight and make sure your hips do not sink toward the floor. Hold for at least 15 seconds and then rest. Do between 5 to 10 repetitions of this as you are able. If you got value from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest health facts every single day.